Good day, this is for WRP 204 and I am Joshua James L. De La Cruz. I'll be reflecting about our experience during our class activity. At first, I thought volleyball was just about hitting the ball over the net, but throughout our activities, I learned that it's also about teamwork, communication, and trust. Every serve, pass, and spike requires focus and coordination with your teammates. One of my favorite part was the team drills and actual games. They challenge us to apply what we learn and help me improve my confidence and reaction time. I also realized the importance of sportsmanship, whether we win or lose. Respecting others and enjoying the game matter most. And lastly, this experience helped me build discipline, cooperation, and a positive attitude. Volleyball taught me that success doesn't come from individual effort alone, but from working together as one team. That's all. Thank you.